If you want to take your climb to the next level, I've got some great tips for you how to make it look flowy and beautiful. Number one, point your toes. It is really hard to break the habit of flexing that back foot. Think about using your ankle a little bit more, pressing that ankle on the pole instead of relying on your foot. So the back foot, point it. Then you will brace yourself with this half bracket grip and then come up to a climb. I want to take this moment to actually sit. Use your legs, squeeze the pole. Once you're ready to come up, you're going to squeeze that leg. Use your glutes to bring you up. I like to just add this soft hands to my climb. I'm sinking down, I'm sitting my butt down, and then I'm adding my hand. It can go up, down, or out, in. The key here is to follow your arms, your hands with your gaze. In a spin flow, you want to start with any pose. It could be like a chair pose or anything. So I will start with my chair. Then I will go up to my climb. Then I'm really sinking down, and then I'm adding the arms. My gaze is following it to make it look really connected and flow. And then I'm just standing up, and that's it. That's how to do a graceful climb.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Just the Tips, and we wish you the best of luck on your movement journey, darling.